Welcome to this video. Today we are going to discuss about the feature of coupon in sales module. So a coupon gives the attraction for the product to the customer. In order to increase the sale, the vendors try to put some coupons so that the customer are attracted towards that product and the sale of that vendor can increase. So Odoo gives us the flexibility to manage all these coupons for a particular vendor or the one who is purchasing the product for the very first time, and there are multiple ways how the coupon can be managed. So let's go in the sales module and check the coupon. In the sales module, first of all, go to configuration setting, and we can see a discount, loyalty and gift card option is there in pricing. So just enable this one and then go back to the products, and there is a discount and loyalty. Just click on it. So what we can see, discount or coupon both are the same. So we are having multiple options for the customer. If they purchase the product for the first time, they will get 10% or 10% on first purchase. So you can see there are multiple coupons for the variety of products. So let's go and check how it can be managed. So right now I have created a discount, 10% discount on the first order. We'll click on it and we can see in the program name, just enter the name of the discount. As I have entered 10% discount on the first order. In the program type, choose coupon, and the currency, let's keep it as USD. And for now we will not take the price list, but you have the option to select the price list also. If you want to set the date for the coupon, that from this date to this date the coupon will be validated, after that no discount will be on such product, you can set it from here. You can also limit the user. If you will click in the user, you can limit this discount for that user only. Select the company, for which company this is going to happen, available on point of sale, or website. We have all the three options and you can select all three of them, or you can just click for point of sale. For website, all website or website 2, you have the option, you can go for any of them. Point of sale, all POS or shop or restaurant, any of them you can select as you require. So I am keeping it as all POS. Now we will put some condition and rewards according to the coupon. So in the condition, we will keep the minimum quantity as 1 and minimum purchase $. We are not putting the purchase amount for now. And for the product, if you want to put for a particular product, you can put, and for the category also, and if any tags are in the product, you can select it and filter the product. But for now I am keeping this discount for all the products. Save it, and for the reward, And for the reward part, reward is discount. You can change it from here also, but we will keep it as discount because we are giving discount on the product. If you want to give any free product, you are free to select this one, but for now we will keep it as discount. We will select what percentage of discount we are going to give on order, on the cheapest product or the specific product. Maximum defined discount will, you can set the maximum discount also from here and just save it. After saving, we need to generate the coupon. Clicking here a pop-up will come here, and you can select for anonymous customer, means any customer can have this benefit of discount of the coupon, or the one you are wanted to select the customer, you can select it from here. But for now I will keep for everyone. Quantity to generate, you can put the quantity one and just generate. So already I have generated a coupon. So we have the coupon over here, and this is the code which we require to generate. So just copy this coupon and make the duplicate of this, and we will go and create a sales order. So in order to create the sales order, what we will do, we will create a customer which is a new customer. So let's say we will keep the name as new customer, and we will create the customer. And for the customer we will put a product, and after choosing the product we will apply the coupon code. As you can see, the price of the product is 339.25. Now we will put the coupon code and just apply on this product. Choose the reward, this one, click the button, and you will get the description: 10% discount on the first order and 10% on your order is going to apply. And what we can see, 10% of the total amount has been reduced, and the final amount of the product is coming 305.32. that is the final amount. So after reducing the amount, as there's a tax also there, that's why it is showing that the amount is increasing, but in actual the amount, you can see 295. On 295, 10% has been given the discount, and after the discount 265.5 is the actual amount, and on that 15% tax has been included, therefore the total is coming 305.32. I hope the discount concept is clear for you. Hope you liked my video, and this knowledge will keep you learning the Odoo functionalities. Thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos, and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.